Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to Go Fit Naturally. Today we are going to see a detox drink which I had mentioned in the last video. This drink has been tested for many years, not only by me but our older generations. The drink will detox your body, increase your metabolism, help in weight loss and reduce belly fat. It will help you get rid of bloating, acidity, gas, indigestion and constipation. It is also useful in irritable bowel syndrome. Sounds so amazing, isn't it? It is amazing. I have been taking this drink for last 5 years and it has helped me immensely. The benefits I am seeing are amazing. My acidity has gone. I don't have a bloated tummy and my body gets detoxified. So if you too want to get benefited with this drink, then keep watching. Let us first understand what detoxification is. In simple words, it is the process of removing toxins from our body. Now let us see how these toxins go inside our body and why do we want to remove them. Today our air, water, food, everything is polluted. Lot of chemicals go into our body through these. We eat a lot of processed food, junk food, which remains undigested for many days. Yes, many days. All these things are nothing but toxins. They stay in the lining of our gut, lungs and other organs too. If these toxins are not removed from our body, they cause lots and lots of health issues like arthritis, fatty liver disease, weak immune system, unexplained headaches, skin issues, hair loss, hormonal changes and weight gain. The list is actually endless. Detoxification is so important for weight loss. If your body is not detoxified, no matter how much you exercise, you won't lose weight. You don't want to invite unnecessary health problems and weight gain, right? So let's come to the point. Let's see what all things are needed to make this drink. The first ingredient is cumin seed, known as jeera in Hindi. Jeera contains calcium, magnesium, iron and phosphorus. That's great, right? Jeera also contains a high amount of antioxidants. So it has a highly detoxifying effect. It increases the activity of digestive enzymes, potentially speeding up digestion and increasing our metabolism. Jeera also increases the release of bile from the liver. If you're wondering what is bile, then let me answer it. Bile is the fluid produced by the liver that aids in digestion. Bile helps digest fats and certain nutrients in our gut. If you don't have sufficient bile, we bloat up and we are gassy and we also have fat storage. Now coming to the second ingredient. The second ingredient is fennel seed, known as saunf in Hindi. Saunf contains fiber, potassium, magnesium and calcium. Saunf also improves our digestion. That is why in India we have it immediately after our meal. When we chew saunf, it releases digestive enzymes which along with our saliva helps in digestion. Also eating it just after our meal will reduce sugar craving. Isn't that great? Saunf is also rich in antioxidants. It helps control appetite, reduces indigestion, gas, bloating and acidity. Now coming to the third ingredient, it is coriander seed. We call it dhania in Hindi. Dhania seeds are rich in copper, zinc and iron. They are naturally diuretic. Diuretic is anything that promotes the production of urine in our body. So these seeds help remove water retention from our body. Like jeera, dhania seeds are also highly detoxifying. They improve our digestion. They are very soothing for our stomach. So they reduce acidity. They are also helpful in thyroid and also reduce our blood sugar. The fourth and the last ingredient is carom seed, known as ajwain in Hindi. Ajwain is very famous for its digestive properties. It is very useful in indigestion, gas and acidity. It is a natural antacid. It gives instant relief from stomach ache. It is very good for detoxification. It increases metabolism and so increases weight loss. It will help us get rid of bloating too. But ajwain increases body heat, so we should consume it in small amounts. Now let's go in the kitchen and see how I make this drink. To make this drink, let's add 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of sauf, 1 teaspoon of dhania seeds and little bit of ajwain. So if it is summer, you can skip ajwain if you feel that it is heating your body. And then let's add 1 glass of water and we'll soak this overnight. In the morning, boil this water for some time. When the water starts reducing, you can switch off the gas. It generally takes 10 minutes on medium flame. Now you can strain it and then you can drink it warm. If you don't like the taste, you can actually squeeze a lemon in it, or you can add this kokum. But this kokum you have to add it while boiling. Both lemon and kokum are very healthy, so there is no problem adding it. But I think you will get used to it once you start taking it daily. Remember to have it empty stomach in the morning. So I drink 1 glass of this and then 1 more glass of normal warm water. Don't have anything after this for at least 30 minutes. I have my breakfast 1 to 1.5 hours after this. So try this drink and see the magic. It will give you guaranteed results. You will really see your weight reducing. It has helped me reduce my post-pregnancy weight and it has helped me to get back in shape. It will help you with the stubborn belly fat also. I have shared this recipe with many of my friends before and it has helped them too. Excited to try? Try it and share results with me in the comment section. But this natural remedy should be followed daily and consistently. Follow it for 3 months and then take a break of 15 days and then you can start again. We take this break so that our body should not get used to the drink. If you liked this information, then please like and share my video with people who might be interested. Subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.